Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your RAW files in Lightroom and applying a consistent base preset to lock tone and white balance. This creates a predictable starting point. Adjust exposure and contrast to recover highlights and shadows, then crop to the desired composition. Shortstache favors 16:9. Make sure to enable lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration. Once done, flag the best frames for deeper editing. This saves time and prevents accidental edits to weak shots while keeping the creative flow moving. Now focus on why the image feels like Shortstache: careful color separation and tactile texture. In HSL, lift oranges for skin and mute greens to shift attention. This sculpts the subject. Apply split toning with warm highlights and cooler shadows to get that cinematic contrast, and then subtly add clarity and texture to enhance micro-contrast without making skin gritty. Use dehaze sparingly to deepen midtones. Once those adjustments sit right, sync settings across flagged shots to preserve a cohesive reel or series. For final polish, output sharpening is critical. Increase detail with a small radius and moderate amount, and use masking to avoid sharpening skin. This preserves a clean, crisp look. Export in sRGB at quality 80–85% with a long edge, sized for your platform so colors and compression behave predictably. If you see grain from high ISO, apply targeted luminance noise reduction, and then reapply small texture to retain detail. If colors shift after export, check color profile and repeat with soft proofing until consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.